In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a portfolio in Notion using templates. We'll walk through the process from inside Notion so that by the end, you'll have a ready-made portfolio layout that you can start customizing with your own work and information. First, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want your portfolio to live. This could be an existing workspace, a new page you've just created, or even a sub-page inside a larger dashboard. The exact location doesn't matter too much right now, as you can always move the page later. What's important is that you're on a blank or mostly empty page where you're comfortable building your portfolio. Once your page is open, look for the templates option. Depending on your layout, you'll usually find this on the left-hand side of the screen or in the page options. Go ahead and click on templates. This opens up Notion's built-in template gallery, which is where we'll find a starting point for your portfolio instead of building everything completely from scratch. Inside the templates area, find and click on search. This will let you quickly filter through all the available templates instead of scrolling through categories one by one. The search feature is especially helpful because Notion has a huge collection of templates for all kinds of use cases. In the search bar, type in the word portfolio, give it a moment, and you'll see a list of portfolio-related templates appear. These might include personal portfolios, creative portfolios, student portfolios, or even case study layouts. Take a quick look at the thumbnails and short descriptions so you can get a sense of which one best fits your style and the type of work you want to showcase. When you see a template that looks close to what you need, click on it to view more details. This will usually show you a full preview of the layout, the sections it includes, and sometimes example content. Choose a template that feels organized and easy to navigate for someone visiting your portfolio, not just one that looks visually appealing. Once you've decided, click on Add. Notion will automatically create a new page in your workspace based on that template. From here, you can start replacing the sample text and images with your own projects, experience, and contact information, gradually turning this template into a fully personalized portfolio.